Today I have to share with you my very first Versace unboxing. I've never gone in the store, but I have learned more about Versace from Cassie Thorpe. There's a story behind this bag and how I acquired it. I got an amazing deal on it. I'll tell you all of that, so just stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. And I have been posting so many community posts about all the amazing sales that are going on right now, and this was part of one of the sales. I'm going to start cutting the box open, doing the unboxing while I'm actually talking to you. Why did I say that? So that we try not to waste any time here. I got this from Neiman Marcus. Like I said, it was on sale there, and they've packaged that lovely, haven't they? Tissue paper, little Neiman Marcus sticker, and it looks like I don't have to undo that. I just fold it back, and a Versace dust bag. This is indeed a handbag, if I have not yet mentioned that. A rather small handbag. So here's the thing. I've had my eye on this bag for a couple of months now, but I ended up buying a different version from the one that I had my eye on. The one I was looking at was a coated canvas, kind of like Louis Vuitton's canvas, and it had the La Greca print on it. And they do that print in a few different colorways. This was brown, and it was the only print that was available on that bag. I'd also been looking at this style of bag for a little while, partly because, again, of Cassie Thorpe. She doesn't have the Versace bag like this, but she has a similar shaped bag from another company. And I'd been thinking about it, been curious about it, and I thought that bag was really cute. And the one I was looking at, the brown one, was $600 something. And I kept talking myself out of it because I kind of, not that I will never do this again, but I kind of didn't want another brown bag. Like, I've got a few already. If they had done it in the green La Greca pattern, which they do, they just didn't do it on that bag, then I probably would have purchased it. But then this one came along. It's the same bag, but it's in a jacquard, and I've also been looking at jacquard bags lately, and it was massively on sale. So I picked it up, and here it is, straight out of the dust bag. I don't know the official name of this bag. I think it was called the Versace La Greca Signature Mini Bag, something uneventful like that. But you can see that it's a shimmery metallic jacquard fabric, and it has the La Greca print, and it's much more subtle. Like, there's no way you can tell that's a Versace bag unless you really look closely and you know what you're looking for. I know the canvas print says Versace in a couple places. I don't see that it says that on here. It's just the pattern, as far as I can tell. I'm going to take the plastic off this, and we'll do some mod shots, and we'll do a little bit of a what fits to see what might fit in this very tiny bag. Even though I looked at the dimensions, this is definitely smaller than I thought it was, and even though I got a fantastic deal, I'm wondering if this might be too small. But before I make a decision about that, let's give it a good look. There are actually a couple of concerns that I have about this bag, but it was such a fantastic deal that I wanted to get it anyway, and it was the last one they had, so I didn't have the luxury of being able to take time to think about this. I just had to buy it. And I'm already seeing a couple of things that I'm not crazy about. Let's give it a once over. Okay, it comes with this gold chain. No other strap comes with it as far as I know. The strap is removable. It attaches on this little D-ring on either side of the bag there. This strap looks pretty much identical to the strap on the Felice, the chain on the Felice. The Louis Vuitton Felice chain. Looks the same. Okay, I just took the strap off. Now, the way you get into this bag is through this leather handle. You see it, that says Versace on it, so that's the only thing that says Versace and that would maybe give it away that it's a luxury brand bag. You can see that there are these two metal pieces here. Those are snaps, so you can undo both of those, and you can have that short handle like that, or you could just snap one of those and make that a longer handle. This is weird, how the zipper, little tongue on the zipper sticks out in the middle. That's a strange design element. It doesn't look very luxurious to me. So one of the things that I was concerned about with this bag is getting in and out of it and the ease of that. Like, do I have to unsnap it to be able to get to this zipper? Oh my God, the zipper's getting stuck. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, that's a deal breaker right there. Wow. I expected a lot better quality. It's getting to where it won't even move in some spots. Wow. Okay, it's definitely going back, but let's keep looking at it. That's so disappointing. Wow. That's too bad. And I think you do have to open it up to get in the bag, especially with the zipper being like that, because it's too small in here to be able to zip around the little corners and everything. So you would have to open it up, which is annoying. Once you get it open, unzipped, it's a very wide opening, which is nice. And they've got it stuffed. Oh, I'm disappointed. They have little Versace paperwork in here. It says that this product was made with a particular knitting technique. Pay attention in wearing and cleaning method and do not wear next to objects that could damage it. Good little warning. In the envelope that came with it, more care information, and there's an authenticity seal thing and the tag on it. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this yet. The bag retailed for $850 and I got it for $415. So less than half price. I'm disappointed that I have to send it back because of quality issues. That shouldn't be happening. But ultimately probably is going to be too small for me. I'm still curious to see what will fit in it. It has a deep gold hardware. It's very pretty. I love the color on this hardware. It's almost bronze. It's so deep. Really luxurious looking in that way, and the jacquard is beautiful as well. The interior of the bag is a black hole. There's a little label there that says Versace. It says Versace made in Italy. It's lined, so it's not just the jacquard. There are actually two pieces of fabric, and the inside seems to be a canvas, not wipeable. While I have it open, let's put in it the things that I usually carry and see what fits. And just for size reference here, here's my Louis Vuitton Agenda PM. That gives you an idea of how big the bag is, or how small the bag is. Right there. It's a little smaller than that, but I think that this might still fit. Definitely still fits in there, just like that. And I have a card holder, my Chanel flap card holder, another card holder with gift cards, comb, maybe not the best thing to carry in there because it could catch on the fabric. Tied to go stick, it's a good thing to carry with a jacquard bag. Key fob for the car, nail clippers, also maybe not the best idea for a delicate bag. Let's see, can I fit my sunglasses PM case from Louis Vuitton? Yeah, I can. All right, so that fits in there and that pretty much fills up the bag. It should be able to zip as long as the zipper works. Okay, it was a little bit smoother that time. Now it does not want to close. I don't have anything standing up on the side, but I think the Agenda PM might be a little tall for it because it's not going to let me snap the two snaps. It'll let me snap the one, but then look how wonky that zipper is. Are you able to tell how bumpy that is? That's terrible. So let me take that out, the Agenda. I don't like that I wouldn't be able to carry that in there. Okay, with that out, now I can close it and snap both snaps. Much easier, better. It's still kind of sticking out here. It's still a little lopsided. I don't really like that, but there you go. That's how it looks. So you can hand hold this. You could put it over your wrist. If you have a tiny arm, maybe you could get it up to your elbow. Let's see how it looks on the body with the chain. The chain, of course, being a chain, is not adjustable. The chain is shorter than I thought it would be as well. So I like the length on my shoulder here. That looks good. I think it's going to be too short to be crossbody for me. And I'm not that tall. I'm 5'3". So yeah, I mean, it can work, but it's a little higher than where I would like it to sit. I pulled out a black leather strap from Dress Up Your Purse. And I know this strap fits me well crossbody, so I'm going to try that on it. Yeah, that sits in a much better place for me. I tend to prefer the bags down at my hip more than up at my waist. That works well. I like it. Y'all didn't tell me I had a string on my shirt the whole time. That's how it looks. There are things I like about it. The material and the hardware look beautiful. The jacquard feels really nice. I love the metallic elements in it. I love that it has a removable strap and it's not just a handheld pouch bag like a lot of these styles of bags are. By the way, this leather handle wraps all the way around the sides of the bag, not on the bottom. I don't like that it's a little too small for me, but that's not the bag's fault. I don't like that it doesn't hold my agenda, again, not the bag's fault. I don't like the little tongue here sticking out. That is a design flaw in my opinion. I don't like how the bag isn't symmetrical when you start putting things in it. Also, I don't think you'll be able to see this, but on the V in Versace there, that's just printed onto the leather. It's imprinted a little bit, but the V already has some of the gold chipped out of it, and the E does too, the first E, and that's not nice. Unfortunately, this incredible deal of a luxury bag, my first Versace bag, is not the best experience, and it's gonna go back. But I will keep looking and see if there might be anything else that I want from Versace. That's too bad that this didn't work out. I also don't like that you have to open the handle and that the zipper doesn't work very well. By the way, the zipper pull does say Versace there. It's imprinted on it. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.